Welcome back to Perpetual Time, and today I'm going to be showing you a Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore. Now this watch initially came to me because the customer asked for the full Perpetual Time treatment, which he has seen on Instagram. The reason for this is that the bezel, middle case, case back and the clasp was badly marked, and he decided to sell it. So he decided that he wanted the watch to look fantastic prior to selling, so he can get the most out of the watch in terms of its value, and also so he doesn't get any customers saying, well, the watch has not been valeted and I'm going to offer you X amount instead of the price that you want. So the watch was fully stripped down, bezel was also stripped down, the satin finish on the top of the bezel was redone, and then the high luster on the sides of the bezel. Then just below there is a satinization all the way around, and then the middle case is fully matte finished, then high luster on the shoulders and also on the sides as well. And also the case back is circular grained, and then the clasp is also mirror finished and then ultrasonic clean and steam clean, plus full sealing of the watch to its correct depth. And now the customer has a beautiful watch that he can resell, or he may actually decide to keep. And now I'm going to show you the befores and afters.